Hi fam, in this video I'll show you how you can use your local payment method and get cryptocurrency, how you can buy USDT, how you can buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. So for this tutorial, I'll be using the Binance exchange. Binance, at the time of recording this video, is the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. An exchange is a place where you can buy and sell your cryptocurrency, where trading and cryptocurrency trading activity occurs. So now the first thing you need to do is just use the link in the description of this video if you don't have a Binance account, and just follow the steps. So when you just log in, after you are fully verified your Binance account, you should show this right verified, then you'll be able to carry out this particular process. We are going to use a process called P2P. P2P is peer-to-peer or person-to-person. This is wherein I currently have USDT, I currently have dollar. USDT is a stable coin. All right, 1 USDT is the same as $1, 10 USDT is the same as $10, and 50 USDT is the same as $50. Hope this one is clear. So now, we are going to use a process called P2P, wherein I'm going to use my local payment method. I'm currently based in Sierra Leone, so I'm going to use Orange Money. All right, you can use Orange Money, Afri Money. If you are based in Ghana, you use your local payment method. Wherever you're based, I believe you have your local payment method. So you come to home, you go to market, you go to trade futures and assets. Currently, I only have $4.17 here. So you are going to go to this top where you're saying add funds. All right, yours might be deposits. All you need to do is tap this add funds. You are going to see this P2P trading. Let's say you don't have deposit here or add funds. You look here, you are going to see P2P. If you tap here, you are still going to arrive at this particular interface. Let's go back. Let's say now there is no add funds or deposit here, no P2P here. The next method you need to use is you go to more, look for more. When you go to more, go to the top here where you see chat, more services, type P2P, and this is going to pop up. You are still going to arrive at this particular interface. Okay, so now, when you arrive at this interface, you are going to see buy, you are going to see sell. But the first thing you need to do here is to select your currency. So I'm currently based in Sierra Leone. I'll just search for SLE. This is the Sierra Leone Leones, okay? If you are based in Ghana, you can just type what the Ghanaian says, okay? You get to see the Ghanaian cedis here. If you are based in Kenya, the Kenyan shilling, and so on. So I'll type here the Sierra Leone Leones. Why should you first do this one? So this is going to show you the people in your country or your region that are ready to sell to you, all right, their USDT, or that you are ready to buy from. Okay, so you have selected this. The next thing you need to do is set your payment method. So for the payment method, you go down to profile, tap this profile. Okay, make sure your account is fully verified. You have verified your email, your phone number for the SMS and KYC, that is know your customer, and your address. So for the address, you can use your bank statement or you can use your national ID card. If you are based in Sierra Leone, at the back of the ID card, we do have address. So use that address to fully verify your account. So you'll be able to carry out the P2P process. So you go here to payment method. So for some security reasons, I'm not going to share this particular area. So you just tap your payment method and chat for your payment method. So now I'm currently based in Sierra Leone, and one of our local payment method, the most popular, is Orange Money. So I'll just type Orange Money and you are going to see Orange Money pop up. Now your name is automatically going to be available in the account name. So you'll be asked to enter account number. The account number is your Orange Money number or your Afri Money number or your bank account number. All right. So if you're based in, let's say Uganda, you are based in Nairobi, you are based in Tanzania. All right, wherever you're based, you have your local payment method. Just search for the local payment method and enter the detail, either the phone number, the IBAN, or the account number, after which you are good to go. All right, so when you are done with that, you are now going to come back to this particular home page called P2P. In situation we are in, this icon is currently at Express, make sure it is what P2P. Okay, so now that it is what P2P, that is peer-to-peer or person-to-person, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. So if you tab here, you are going to see like multiple cryptocurrencies. All right. You are going to see like a lot of cryptos. So I'll recommend you buy Tether. Tether is also USDT. USDT is a stable coin. We have like a lot of stable coin. We have USDT, we have USDC, and a whole lot of other. But the most popular one here is what? The United States dollar Tether, the USDT. So after here, you have selected that you want to buy USDT. You are going to come here to amount, okay? So depending on your region, this is like 200 leons, 1,000 leons, 5,000 leons, 10,000. You can enter the specific amount of USDT you want here. So let's say I want 1,000 leons, okay? So I've entered which of the payment method do I want to use. So if you tab here, these are the local payment method that are available in your region. So for Sierra Leone, we have Afri Money, we have like Orange Money here, we have Afri Money, we have bank transfer, cash deposit to bank, and Echo Bank. So these ones with this star or fire are the most popular ones. So in this case, I would recommend you go with what? Orange Money if you are a Sierra Leonean. Then I'll tap confirm. Okay, so you have selected Orange Money. So you can select Orange Money OM as well. So now you get to see like all those. These are the ones that are ready to sell to you. Don't forget, you are the buyer. You are ready to buy. So these ones are the seller. So you have your Saw, you have Finder, you have the Big Bull, you have Medical Trader, and a whole lot of other guys here. Okay, a whole lot of what? Other guys here. So now what you need to do is like you see when you customize, when you select this price here, they show you what the one with the best price. This one is saying he or she is going to pay you for each USDT. You are going to pay 24.19 leons. Okay, so 24.19 leons is what you are going to pay to get what $1 or $1 USDT. So you have limit here. So from this particular individual, you can buy from 500 leons to 23,680 leons. So the current available USDT that this particular seller is having is 978.94 USDT. If you come to Finder is saying for each one USDT, you are going to pay 24.2 USDT. So you get to buy from 100 leons to that of 26,382 leons. So currently, Finder, all right, we believe a lady is having about 1,090 USDT. Okay. So you get to scroll down and all. So for this case, you also get to see here 24.32 US. So you get to see here the payment method Orange Money OM. And for this payment, like 15 minutes. So you need to complete this transaction within 15 minutes, which means like when you are supposed to pay, within 15 minutes. It can be like what seconds to a minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but you need to complete the process within 15 minutes. Otherwise, the Binance is going to cancel the transaction. It means like you are not ready. So you look for the best price. But for me, I know certain guys here like this guy, the Big Bull, is very good, is very fast. And also we have a guy called Speedy. The rate is higher. Speedy is saying for each $1, you are supposed to pay 24.34 USDT. So I'm going to use Speedy because I know Speedy is like very fast when it comes to like this transaction. Okay. So I'll just tab here buy. Yes, I'll tab here buy. So now you see by SLA. So if you want exact 1,000 leons, you can do this. But if you have specific amount of USDT that you want, let's say you want like 40 USDT. All right. So for 40 USDT, you are going to pay 969 leons. Sorry about the background noise. There is construction work going on at the time of recording this tutorial. So let's say you want 40 USDT. So in this case, let's say 45. Let's say 45 USDT is going to be 1,090 leons. Let's say 47. So 47. So what I'll do is like we are going to buy 1,200 leons. Okay. So 1,200 leons is going to give us 49.52 USDT. I'm pretty sorry about the background noise. So construction is still ongoing at this particular end. So what I'll do now is like what I'll come here and you need to read all this term and you tap place order. You want to buy. You tap here. So you are going to see now the payment method. Okay. So now I'm going to send, this is the phone number, so this is agent code, okay? So I'm going to send what? This particular amount, 1,200 leons, to this particular agent code, all right? Orange Money to this agent code, and after which I'll come here and tap transfer, notify seller. So I'll just tab here. I'll copy this link. Then now I'm not going to show this part. You just need to go to your Orange Money. You need to go to your local payment method and just do the payment. So let me just go about do this payment and I'll come back here. So as you can see, I've transferred 1,200 leons, all right, 1,200 leons to what this particular number. I've transferred this one. So all I need to now do is like, I'll come here and tab here, transfer, notify seller, all right. So I've transferred, right? I've transferred this one. So all I need to do now is like, I'm going to wait for Speedy to release what my crypto 49.52 USDT. I've sent this one already. You might want to ask like, boss, what if I send this cash to this guy and he fails to like send this particular USDT? Don't worry, whenever you try to do payment, make sure you always take screenshots, because in case if there's anything, then you can just come here to help. You are going to create what? An appeal. All right, you are going to send like the screenshot to Binance like, hey, I've made payment to this particular individual, but he or she has failed to release what? My USDT. Okay. So you can also come here. Let me show you guys about this chat box. You can come to this chat box and you can also chat with this particular fellow. All right. You can chat with this fellow. Hey, I've made payment. Kindly confirm and what? Release my USDT. So you can do all this. So now, this particular fellow also is going to be having like what? 15 minutes to do payment. So you see, so he has already released, all right, deposited into your funding account. So whenever you try to purchase USDT, the USDT is automatically going to be transferred to your funding account. So you come here, you can give review like, okay, I appreciate the transaction was pretty fast. So you see, I told you guys about this guy, right? So you can just give review here. If you want, you stay anonymous or you just do like this, then you are good to go. Okay, then you are good to go. So you can now go back to your account and you'll be able to see what? Your USDT. So currently I have 53.69 USDT plus the 4 USDT. Okay, so this is how you go about purchasing USDT. So now with this USDT, I'll be able to even buy Bitcoin. I'll be able to buy Solana. I'll be able to buy other cryptocurrencies for this particular one. So hope like this video is helpful. If you find value, ensure you subscribe, like, and share this video to others. I'm pretty sorry about the background noise. Let's see how we get to move forward from here. Stay blessed. I'm Josao from Sierra Leone, West Africa.